Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with 52 and 22. And if this is the first time you're watching, you're like, what's 52 and 22? 52 weeks and a whole year of 22. Every week, every month, there will be a project. It'll be different themed throughout the year. Like this month is ATCs, and we do 4 ATCs a week in a different theme. Last week was clock and time. This week is snow or winter. I'm here to share them with you. And anybody can do this. If I remember, I will link the original video with all the directions how you can join into this fun. If not, you can go look for it. It is in my playlist. So, winter and snow theme. And here we go. It's my first one. It's a little gnome. I got these little images off Etsy for little or nothing. And I made the ATC card. I took some stickles on the back as well as the trees, and I kind of got them dimensional. It says snowballs 5 cents, and I took little puff balls in his little pail and put the snowballs. Got the fake snow on there, so it's a dimensional. It's kind of thick, sticks up, and that's that one. And the backs are just plain. And then there's this one. I stickled it up again. And got the fake snow. Just so sparkly. And then this one says, "Let it snow." And stickles fake snow. Had this little snowflake right there. I love the little gnomes. I thought they were so adorable. So I bought. I think they were less than like $1, and I think there was like 12 different ones. Because I've used them on something else, and I just don't remember what I used them on now. Besides these. But I did use them on something. And then I got a little girl gnome. And there's a little snowman coming out of her little, and then stickles. And then I had this little snowflakes sticker, so I put that there. The fake snow. And that's what they look like. I thought they're so cute. This is an extra one I have that I didn't put on anything. And it says, what does it say? I can't read it. It's so tiny. Hang on, let me get my magnifying glass. Sometimes I'm an old lady here. Or I feel like sometimes I am. What's it say? Warm winter wishes. Yeah, it says warm winter wishes on the little sign. And then we got the little girl skating. So there's a few of them, different ones. Here's another one, little dude skating. But I don't remember what I used the other ones on right now. And let's see, can't see them. Where's that? For my next week's. Trying to see if any more are up here. I got such a mess on my desk, guys. I'm sorry. I'm going to give you a preview. Where did Allie take that? Hang on. Hey, I don't edit my videos. So, you're seeing me doing my thing. Nope, that's not it either. Okay. I'm missing. My desk is so messy right now. I should say my table, because it's not a desk, it's a table I use. But it's my desk. There it is. Found it. I'm going to give you a quick preview of last week's, just real fast. So here's the time one. I'm not going to do this every week, but I figured it's the first couple videos. Oh, I got paint on there. I'll have to fix that. See, they fell out of my little thing I keep them in. But those were last week's. So I'll show you again this week's. And I think the gnomes are so adorable. They're so cute, I think. So like I said, Anybody can join into this anytime you want. You don't. You just have to kind of follow the general rules that we came up with, like 4 a week in a theme. So each week, like say, like this week was snow, you would stick with snow. Last week was clocks or time. You have to stick with clocks. But other than that, it's pretty free. And you don't have to do it every week or every month. That's the fun part about it. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. I'm going to go fix that.